Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, homework questions which were given for twofold effects. Question 1 answers I am discussing right now. Okay. To start with, Dhruhi Roy.
Yes.
Birla started business by bringing cash rupees 10,000. Okay. So, what will be the two effects of that? Question 1.
Cash comes in.
Cash comes in.
Affects cash.
Affects cash account. Effect 2.
And owner is the giver. Affects capital.
Owner is the giver. Affects capital account. All of you are verifying whether you are able to get it correct or not in the homework.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
what question will you ask to yourself first? What
Comes in?
What comes in? If you don't get the answer,
Which loss or
Which
expense?
expense?
which expense or loss?
Loss.
And if you don't get the answer for that,
Who
Who
is
is
the
the
receiver?
The
receiver?
who
giver.
is the receiver? Who is the receiver? First question, you'll ask what comes in. If you don't get the answer, which expense or loss? Still, if you don't get the answer, who is the receiver? For the second effect, what is the first question you'll ask?
What goes out?
What goes out?
What goes out? If you don't get the answer,
Which
Which
income?
income or
Or
gain?
which
profit?
income or gain? And if you don't get the answer,
Who is the
Who is
giver?
the given?
so here what comes in? Cash comes in. And second effect, what goes out? Nothing goes out. Which income? No income. But since you have started the business, who is the giver? Owner is
Owner
the
is the
giver.
given.
And the name of account when owner is the giver will be capital account. Okay. Okay. Next, after Dhruhi, Vyom. Birla
Second,
opened.
Birla opened a bank account by depositing rupees 40,000 in Dena Bank. What comes in? Nothing. Which expense or loss? Nothing. Who is the receiver? Bank is the receiver. Affects bank account.
Very good. Bank is the receiver. Affects bank account. Very good, Vyom. I want every one of you to answer it in this manner only. Don't
Sir,
directly give me the two effects. Okay, don't directly give me the two effects. All of you listen carefully. How is Vyom answering it? What comes in? Nothing comes in. Which expense or loss? No expense or loss. Who is the receiver? Bank is the receiver. Affects bank account. I want everyone to answer in this manner only. Yes, Vyom, further.
What goes out? Nothing. What goes out? Nothing. Which income or gain?
What goes out?
Nothing.
If you deposit 40,000 in the bank, something will go out, no?
Sir,
Cash goes out.
Birla is not. Birla is
No. Birla is not the giver, Vyom. Birla opened a bank account. This 1 lakh he brought in the business, can you see?
Yes.
From that, he is depositing 40,000 in the bank. So that cash 40,000 from the business is going out.
Okay.
So what goes out, you will say?
Cash goes out.
Cash goes out. Affects
Cash account.
cash account.
sir,
Now tell me one thing, Vyom, if you are the owner of the business, Vyom, if you are the owner of the business, will all the activities of the business be done by you or your employees or not?
Yes, sir.
So if you are the owner of the business, either you yourself will go and deposit the money in the bank, or you will send some of your staff person to deposit in the bank.
Yes, sir.
So here when they say Birla deposited, doesn't mean that he's bringing again that money from home. He's the owner, so he's doing that activity. He's going and depositing 40,000 from this 1 lakh in the bank.
Okay.
Okay, but he's not bringing that again from home. So don't get confused. I think you got misleaded by the word Birla.
Yes.
Right? Because the word Birla was given, a name of owner was the given, so you thought the owner is the giver, right?
Yes, sir.
But you understand one thing, you are the owner of the business. So who will do the activities? Who is teaching right now? I am teaching, I am the owner of this business.
Yes, sir.
So here everything in the business will be done by owner only. That doesn't mean every time owner is the giver.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Is every one of you clear with this?
sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Neil.
Sir, In the second question, the first effect, can we write it as Dena Bank is the receiver and affects
100% you can
Dena
write.
Bank's account?
Dena Bank account you can write. In
Okay.
fact, we have to write the name of the bank if we have more than one bank account. If
Yes,
we have
sir.
only one bank account, like in case of UL, if we say we have only one bank account, ICICI, so we simply write everywhere bank account only. But if we have account in ICICI also, HDFC also, then how will I come to know which bank account I am depositing the money in the books of accounts? So then you have to write the name.
Okay.
So even if you have written Dena Bank, it's perfectly correct. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Next, after that, Shruti. Birla purchased goods of rupees 50,000 from Tata.
Sir, what comes in, goods comes in, affects purchases account.
Very correct. Very good. What comes in, goods comes in, affects purchases account. Yes. Further.
What goes out, nothing goes out.
What goes out, nothing goes out. Then
Which income, nothing income.
which
Sahasam,
income, there is no income.
Sahasam is given or affects Sahasam account.
Who is the giver? I am talking about the third transaction of first question.
Sir, sorry sir, sir Tata, is the giver.
Tata is the giver. Okay, Tata is the giver, affects Tata's account.
Tata, sir.
That's correct. What goes out, nothing goes out. Which income, no income. Who is the giver? Tata is the giver, affect Tata's account. Okay. Yes. Further. Ansh Parikh.
Yes, sir.
Birla sold goods of 90,000 to Ambani.
Sir, first, what comes in, nothing comes in.
Yes. What comes in, nothing comes in.
Which expense or loss, no expense or loss.
Which expense or loss, no expense or loss.
Who is the receiver? Ambani is the receiver.
Who is the receiver? Ambani is the receiver,
Affects
affects
Ambani's account.
Ambani's account. Correct. Ambani is the receiver, affects Ambani's account. And second effect,
What goes out, goods goes out, affects sales account.
yes, what goes out, goods goes out. We have sold goods. So goods goes out, affects sales account. Correct, Ansh. Ishika.
Yes, sir.
Yes, read the fifth one.
Birla sold goods for rupees 70,000 on cash.
Yes.
What comes in, cash comes in, affects cash account.
What comes in, cash comes in, affects cash account. Then second effect.
What goes out, goods goes out, affects sales account.
Yes, what goes out, goods goes out, affects sales account. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All of you are clear with it? Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, sixth one, tell me. Birla purchased machinery of rupees 75,000.
Sir, what comes in? Machinery comes in. Machinery's account.
Yes, very good. Correct. What comes in? Machinery comes in, affects machinery account. Second effect.
Sir, what goes out? Nothing goes out.
Why nothing goes out? Why will you say nothing goes out?
Sir, sorry. Cash goes out.
You are purchasing machinery. Are you getting carried away with the name Birla?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
But who is Birla? Who is Birla over here? Hriday.
Birla.
Owner of the business.
Purchase.
Birla is the owner of the business.
Yes, sir.
So this Birla name doesn't make it credit transaction. Outside person's name given, then it will become credit transaction. Birla is selling the goods means your business is selling goods. Birla is selling goods means your business itself is selling the goods. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Next, Kasturi.
Yes, sir.
Seventh, Birla paid salary of rupees 25,000.
What comes in? Nothing comes in. Salary is an expense, affects salary account.
Yes, what comes in fact, service comes in, which results into the second effect, which expense or loss. Salary is an expense, affects salary account. Correct. Further,
And what goes out? Cash goes out.
yes, paid salary, so cash goes out, affects cash account. We are paying salary, so cash goes out, affects cash account. Correct. Very good. Yes, next after Kasturi. Again, the videos are off, everyone. 7 are done. Paras, tell me the 8th one. Ambani returned goods.
returns of rupees 30,000 to Birla.
Yes.
What comes in? Nothing comes in.
Why? Can you see here we sold goods to Ambani?
Yes, sir.
Now, if he is returning the goods, then goods comes in.
Okay.
Okay,
So
basically when Ambani is returning the goods, what you are supposed to do, reverse this fourth transactions effects. Reverse this fourth transactions effects. When we sold goods to Ambani, Ambani was the receiver
yes, sir.
and goods had gone out.
Yes, sir.
Now he is returning the goods back to our business. So you reverse them.
Okay. Goods
Means now
comes
the
in.
goods which had gone out will
Come in.
come in. So goods comes in. And what will be the name of account?
Goods account. Your sales account.
Sales return account.
Oh, sales return account.
Earlier we sold him the goods. He is returning the goods back to us. So what will be the name of account?
Sales return account.
Return account. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So what comes in, goods comes in, affects sales return account. Now, second effect.
What goes out? Nothing goes out.
Nothing goes out.
Which income or gain? Nothing. No income or gain.
Which income or gain? No income or gain.
Who is the giver? Ambani is the giver.
Yes, earlier Ambani was the receiver. Now he's returning the goods. So Ambani is the giver. And
Affects
that
Ambani's
is
account.
Ambani's account. Mind well, everyone. Write Ambani's account. In Ambani, don't write Ambani returns account. Okay. Here Ambani will remain Ambani only, but sales will become sales
return.
Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 8th transaction is done. Then 9th one. Neil Makhija, 9th.
Yes, sir. Birla returned goods of rupees 250 to Tata. So cash. So,
First question.
sir. Tata is the receiver.
I told you answer it to me in the order.
Yes, sir. What comes in? Nothing comes in. Which expense or loss? No expense or loss. Who is the receiver? Tata is the receiver.
Yes. Now, which one we have to reverse? Every one of you see here. Did we sell goods to Tata over here or not? We purchase goods from Tata over here. Can you all see that? So these one we have to reverse now. Okay. Whatever goods we purchase from Tata, now those transactions are to be reversed. So when we purchase goods from Tata, goods had come in and Tata was the giver. Now you will reverse it. We are returning the goods to Tata. So Tata is the receiver, affects Tata's account. Yes, Neil, further.
What goes out? Goods goes out affects purchases return account.
Correct. What goes out? Goods goes out, affects purchase return account. When purchased goods are returned, the name of account will be purchase return account. Is everyone clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion so far?
No, sir.
Okay. Lastly, after that, Om Patel
Yes, sir.
received check from Ambani
Yeah.
of 25,000.
Yes, sir. So, sir, it would be what comes in, cash comes in, sir.
We are receiving check, not cash.
Oh,
What will
yeah.
you do with the check which is received? Deposit in the bank.
In the bank, yes, deposit in the bank, sir.
So bank is the receiver.
Receiver.
Okay, whatever check is received, we will deposit in the bank.
Yeah.
Bank is the
Receiver.
receiver, affects
Bank's
bank
account.
account. And second effect,
What goes out? Nothing goes out. Which expense or nothing? And who is
which
the giver?
income? In the second effect,
For
which
income.
income, no income. Then
No income. Who is the giver? Ambani is the giver.
who is the giver? Ambani,
Ambani
is
is
the
the
giver.
giver.
Affects
Affects Ambani's account.
Ambani's account. Did every one of you understand this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Nemish.
Sir, what comes in? Cash comes in.
Sold goods of 20,000, 25,000 to Prakash for cash.
Cash.
We have sold for cash, so it's a cash transaction.
Yes.
What comes in?
Cash comes in and affects cash account.
Cash comes in, affects cash account. And second effect,
So what goes out? Goods goes out.
yes, we are selling goods, so goods goes out, affects
Good sales account.
sales account. Goods goes out, affects sales account. Correct, Nemish, very good. Then fifth one, Tushti,
Yes, sir.
tell me the fifth one.
Yes, sir. Sold goods for rupees 10,200. First of all, what comes in? Cash comes in.
Yes, what comes in, cash comes in,
Affects the
affects
cash account.
cash account. And second effect,
What goes out? Goods goes out. Affects the sales account.
yes, goods goes out, affects sales account. Very good, perfect. Okay, let's try with the new students. Okay, you can at least try with it. I'll help you out. Don't worry. Neil D'Souza.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll help you out. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Purchased tables and chairs for rupees 15,000. What is the first question you'll ask to yourself?
Sir, what comes in?
Yes, so if you are purchasing tables and chairs, what comes in?
Tables and chairs, which
Yeah,
affects
we'll call it as furniture. What will we call that as?
furniture.
Furniture. So furniture comes in,
Yes, sir.
and that will affect which account? The name of account will be also
Sales account.
furniture account. We are purchasing furniture, so we'll call it as furniture account. Okay? Neil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, then second effect, what is the first question you'll ask to yourselves?
What comes in?
No, that was the first question. Now second effect. First question, what goes out?
Sir, cash goes out.
Yes, we are purchasing tables and chairs means cash goes out, affects
Cash account.
cash account. Are you able to identify a little bit?
Yes, sir.
Very good, perfect. Then seventh, let's try with the newcomer, Shesha Pandya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, seventh transaction, paid rent of 25,000 by check. What is the first question you'll ask to yourself?
What comes in?
What comes in? Nothing comes in.
Nothing
Second
comes.
question.
Which expense or loss has incurred?
So we are paying rent, so you'll say rent is an expense. Okay, we are paying rent means rent is an expense, and that affects
Rent account.
Yes. Second effect, what is the first thing you'll ask to yourself?
What goes out?
What goes out?
Check.
Yes, but whenever check goes out, okay, keep this in mind. Whenever check is given to someone, na, then the effect will be bank is the giver, because the money will directly go from your bank account.
Yes.
So whenever check is given to someone, you will not write check goes out. In the effect, what will you write?
Bank is the giver.
Is the giver, affects
Bank account.
account. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
And I'm sure if you cover all the lectures, you'll be very easily able to answer all these. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Next, Vanshika,
Yes, sir.
you try with the next. I'll help you out. Don't worry. Return.
Return goods
Yes, read it.
of rupees 4,000 to Shazam.
Yes,
What comes in? Goods come in.
Now see, we are returning goods to Shazam, so goods are going out. Understand this? Can you see here we purchase goods from Shazam?
Yes.
These effects we have to reverse.
Okay.
Now we are returning the goods to that person, right? Again back.
Yes.
We have to reverse these two effects. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
So if you return the goods back to Shazam, what comes in? Nothing comes in. Goods are going out. We are returning back.
Sir.
So nothing comes in. What is the second question you asked?
What profit or loss is incurred?
No, which expense or loss? Not profit, expense. Which expense or loss? No expense or loss. Third question.
Um,
Who is the receiver?
who is the receiver?
Here we are
Shazam is the
returning goods to
receiver.
Shazam. So who is the receiver?
Shazam is the receiver.
Yes, Shazam is the receiver. See, if you reverse these two effects, when we purchase goods from Shazam, he was the giver.
Yes.
Now we are returning to him. So reverse of that, he becomes the receiver.
Receiver.
Okay, Shazam is the receiver, affects Shazam's account. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Now, second question. What is the first question?
What
you asked
goes
us?
out?
What goes out? When we purchase goods, goods came in. Now we are returning the goods, so same goods will go out.
Yes.
And the name of account will become purchase return account, reverse.
Okay.
Okay, goods goes out. What goes out? Goods goes out, affects
Purchase return.
purchase return account. Are you able to understand it?
Yes, sir.
But you cover up the missed lectures, you'll be completely able to get them. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay, is everyone else able to get up till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then next one. Ansh Parik,
Yes.
tell me the next one. Prakash returned goods of rupees 5,000.
Yes. First, what comes in? Goods comes
What comes in? Goods comes in.
affect sales return account.
Affects sales return account because earlier we sold goods to Prakash. Okay, all of you can see here in transaction number 5, no 4. Did we sell goods to Prakash or not, every one of you? Yes or no?
Yes.
So now if Prakash is returning the goods, goods comes in, affects sales return account. Yes, second effect, Ansh.
What goes out? Nothing goes out.
Nothing goes out.
Which income? No income.
Which income? No income.
And who is the giver? Prakash is the giver.
Who is the giver? Prakash is the giver, affects Prakash account. Very good, Ansh. Correct. Is everyone clear up till here? Then again, Druhi Roy.
Yes.
Why your video is off? Yes, tell me the 10th one, Druhi. Received check from Prakash, 20,000.
What comes in, nothing comes.
Yes.
Which expense or loss, no expense or loss. And bank is the bank.
Yes. Because we have received check, we cannot say check comes in because that check we will deposit in the bank. So who is the receiver? Bank is the receiver, affects bank account. Then second effect,
What goes out? Nothing goes out. Then which income or profit? No income or profit. And third is who is the giver? Prakash is the
who is the giver? Prakash is the giver, affects Prakash account. Okay, Prakash is the giver, affects Prakash account. Yes, correct. Dhruvi, perfect. Then 11th one, Neil Makija,
Yes, sir.
11th, read it.
Paid carriage of rupees 350 to Ravi Bhai.
Yes, first effect.
Yes, sir. Sir, what comes in? Nothing comes in.
What comes in? Nothing comes in.
I mean, service comes in, and answers to the second question, carriage is an expense.
Yes, that leads to the second question. Carriage is an expense, affects
Carriage account.
carriage account. Okay, which expense? Carriage is an expense, affects carriage account. Then
What goes out? Cash goes out, affects cash account.
yes, what goes out? Cash goes out because we are paying carriage. Okay, Neil, but name is given, so won't it be a credit transaction? Ravi bhai, name is given.
No, sir. Services are being involved, so that's why it's a cash transaction.
Service is involved, so service is always cash transaction. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So we will say what goes out? Cash goes out, affects cash account. Is every one of you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Sir.
12th one. Now 12th one.
Excuse me, sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Neil D'Souza.
Sir, what is the meaning of carriage?
Yes, whenever you buy goods, you pay some amount to the person carrying the goods. Suppose your shop is on 3rd floor. Then the person will charge you the labor for taking the goods of that commodity or that commodity to the 3rd floor. You will give him some 50 rupees, 20 rupees. That is called carriage. Okay, the labor paid for carrying of the goods is called carriage.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. So here Ravi bhai carried our goods and we paid him carriage of rupees 350. Okay. Next one. Received from Neeta an order. All of you tell me in chorus, order.
non-economic transaction.
Non-economic activity.
Non-economic transaction. It is not to be recorded in the books of accounts because money is
Not
paid.
not involved. Okay, only order is received, so it's a non-economic transaction. Next.
Sir, can I?
Okay, Vyom.
Sold shares of Bajaj Finance for rupees 15,000. What comes in? Cash comes in.
Either you can say cash comes in, affects cash account, or you can also write, because generally when you sell the shares, you'll receive the money directly in your
Bank account.
bank account. So you can also write bank is the receiver, affects bank account. Okay, this would be the first effect. Second,
Second effect. What goes out? Shares of Bajaj Finance goes out. Affect shares account.
shares of Bajaj Finance goes out, affects shares of Bajaj Finance account. Perfect. Is everyone clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 14th. Nemish
Yes, sir.
paid bank charges rupees 50.
Sir, bank charge, what comes in? Nothing comes in.
What comes in? Nothing comes in.
Bank charge is an expense.
Which expense?
Oh,
Bank charges is an expense. Affects
affects bank's account.
bank charges account.
Bank. Yes.
Okay, bank charges is an expense, affects bank charges account. Then second effect.
What goes out? Cash goes out.
Correct. How many of you have written this? What goes out? Cash goes out, affects cash account. Raise your hand. Only 2 people have written it. Others have not written cash goes out. How many of you have written cash goes out, affects cash account? Neil Makija, what did you write? Cash goes out.
Yes, sir.
Tushti, what did you write?
Sir, I wrote bank is the giver.
Very good. Correct. Neil, tell me one thing. Neil, Makija,
Yes, sir.
why do we pay bank charges? For what thing do we pay bank charges?
Interests.
No, interest is bank gives it to us. Bank charges are paid for what thing? For the services which bank gives us.
Yes,
What
sir.
services do bank gives us? They pay insurance premium on our behalf. Okay, they pay credit card bills on our behalf. Whenever you even if you transfer money by NEFT, IMPS, bank charges are there, 2 rupees, 3 rupees for every transfer.
Yes, sir.
So bank levies the charges on us for the services they are giving, right? Now tell me one thing, every time they charge us the money, this 2 rupees for SMS charges, 3 rupees for transferring the money from one account to other account. Will they come at my home and take 2 rupees and 3 rupees cash from me?
No, sir.
All of you answer this to me. Will they come and take that 2 rupees, 3 rupees every time they give us the services in cash from me?
No, sir.
No, sir.
How do they take that money?
From
By
our
a bank account.
Directly they deduct it from our bank account. Is it or not? So here bank is the giver. Means our account in the bank is the giver. We are not going and paying it to the bank in cash. Otherwise, we will have to go to bank every day. Because every day bank is going to levy some or the other charges for the services they are levying in our business. Business takes the services of banks on day-to-day basis. So every day we will not go and pay the money in cash to the bank. They will directly take the money from our bank account. I hope everyone is clear why we cannot say cash goes out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what goes out? Nothing goes out. Which income? No income. Who is the giver? Bank is the giver. And when we say bank is the giver, what do we actually mean by that?
Our account.
Yes, our account in the bank is the giver. Okay, who else had written this in the second effect? Bank is the giver, affects bank account. Except Tushti, anyone else who had written that? Chalo, so everyone is clear. Vyom, you have written bank is the giver?
Yes,
Vyom?
sir.
Very good, Vyom. Perfect. It's correct. So after that, the next one now, Ishika.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the 15th one, Ishika.
It is a non-economic transaction.
Distributed for advertisement goods worth rupees 500, which was received as free earlier, is a non-economic transaction. Did we study in the notes in the beginning or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When would it have been an economic transaction?
When goods got distributed.
When our
That
own
is
goods
our own.
were distributed as free samples, then it was an economic transaction because our money is involved. But something you receive for free, no money is involved. Same thing, you give for free, again no money is involved. That is a non-economic transaction. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one, 16th one, Kasturi.
Yes, sir. Received commission of rupees 350. What comes in? Cash comes in.
What comes in cash comes in affects
Cash account.
cash account. Second effect,
What goes out? Nothing goes out. Which income? Commission is an income affects commission
yes, we are
account.
receiving commission, so commission is an income, affects commission account. Correct, Kasturi. Commission is an income, affects commission account. And the last one, 17th one. Raise your hand. Who will answer the 17th one?
Sir,
Pay municipal taxes by check.
sir, can I?
Yes, Vyom. Okay.
What comes in? Nothing. Which expense or loss? Municipal taxes is an expense of affects municipal taxes account.
Municipal taxes is an expense, affects municipal taxes account.
What goes out? Nothing. Which income or gain? Nothing. Who is the given? Bank is the given, affects bank account.
Yes, because we have given the check, so we will say bank is the giver because money will directly go from our bank account. So bank is the giver, affects bank account. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Now, who could get all the 17 correct? Now, case study 4 was your homework.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, I would want someone to read the whole case study. Neil
Sir,
D'Souza,
can I?
Yes, sir.
will you read the whole case study?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read it.
Mr. Gopal started business for buying and selling of ready-made garments with rupees 8 lakh as an initial investment.
Yes, everyone tell me what is ready-made garments over here?
Goods.
Goods.
Yes, he is doing the business of buying and selling ready-made garments. So in this question, ready-made garments are goods. Yes, read it further, Neil.
Out of this, he paid 4 lakh for the purchase of garments and rupees 50,000 for furniture and rupees 50,000 for computers, and the remaining amount was deposited into the bank.
Okay, raise your hand. What is the remaining amount deposited in the bank? Vyom,
Sir, 8 lakhs.
how do you get that 8 lakhs?
Because here it is a return 8 lakh as an initial investment.
No, but out of that 8 lakh rupees, he has paid 4 lakhs for garments, 50,000 for furniture, 50,000 for goods, and the remaining amount he is deposited in the bank. What is 4 lakhs plus 50,000?
4,50,000.
Plus 50,000 of furniture, of furniture,
5 lakh.
5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs, if you minus from 8 lakhs, what is the remaining
3
amount?
lakhs. 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs.
Is that clear, Vyom?
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, is that clear, Neil D'Souza?
Yes, sir.
Yes, further.
He sold some of the ladies' and kids' garments for rupees 3 lakh for cash and some garments for rupees 1,50,000 on credit to Mr. Rajesh. Subsequently, he bought men's garments of rupees 2 lakh from Mr. Satish. In the first week of the next month, a fire broke out in his office and stock of garments worth rupees 1 lakh was destroyed. Later on, some garments which cost rupees 1,20,000 were sold for rupees 1,30,000. Expenses paid during the same period were rupees 15,000. Mr. Gopal withdrew rupees 20,000 from business for his domestic use.
Okay, all of you check your answers now, be attentive. First question. Raise your hand. What is the amount of capital with which Mr. Gopal started the business? Diya Patel.
8 lakh.
Yes, initially he invested 8 lakh rupees in the business. I'm writing it here itself. All of you just verify your answers, okay? 8 lakh is the capital with which he started the business. Is that clear to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, raise your hand. What is the fixed assets? What fixed assets did he buy? Raise your hand. Shruti.
Sir, the fixed assets he buy is furniture rupees 50,000 and computer rupees 50,000.
Yes, furniture and computers. Perfect, Shruti. Furniture is the fixed asset he purchased, and computer is the fixed asset which he has purchased. Okay, raise your hand. What is the value of goods purchased? Nemish.
Sir, first of all, he purchased goods of 4 lakhs and after purchase of 2 lakhs, it was 6 lakhs he purchased.
Can you all see this green highlighted ones, everyone? 4 lakhs initially and then 2 lakhs from Satish. So what is the value of goods he is purchasing? First he is buying goods of 4 lakhs. Then he is buying goods of 2 lakhs from Satish. Means he is buying goods of 6 lakh rupees. Is everyone clear with that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, raise your hand. Who is the creditor and state the amount payable to him? Oh, wow. Vanshika, please. Vanshika.
Yes, sir. Mr. Rajesh is the creditor and he has to pay 1,50,000.
Perfect. Very good. 100% correct. All of you can see this over here. He purchased goods of rupees
Sir, it is Mr.
1,50,000 on credit to from Mr. Rajesh. No. Vanshika.
So it's Mr. Satish.
Mr. Satish.
Satish, yeah. Creditor is the person from whom you buy the goods on credit. So Satish is the creditor and 2 lakhs is payable to him. Okay. Satish is the creditor and 2 lakh is payable to him. And Vanshika,
Yes, sir.
our Rajesh will be our debtor
Okay.
and 1,50,000 is receivable from him. Okay, that is our sixth answer. Who is the debtor and amount receivable from him? Rajesh is our debtor and 1,50,000 is receivable from him. Okay, Vanshika? Is everyone clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, next one. What is the total amount of expenses? Neil Makija.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the total amount of expenses?
Sir, it is 6,15,000 of expense occurred.
How come? How
Sir,
15,000.
15,000 of expenses during the
Purchase of goods we will not include in expenses. Okay? Neil.
yes, sir.
So 15,000 are the expenses. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And lastly, raise your hand. What is the total amount of drawings of Mr. Gopal? Vyom?
Sir, 20,000.
Yes, last 20,000 which he has withdrawn for personal use is the drawings for Mr. Gopal.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.